I'll show you how you can get lots of Temu credits really easily. Now, of course, when you first log in, you usually get promos like this, like up to $300 in coupon bundles. This could count as Temu credits. So if you're having trouble finding other coupons or other credits easily, just log in to the apps ever so slightly every day. You might get some promos like this, like my coupon bundles here, like a $300 coupon bundle. But if you're not so lucky to get that, there is other methods for you to get it. So for example here, if I go to the U section down here, and I go to the play and earn section here, you can see this is a section where I can earn credits and free give. You can see I can earn up to $50 credit, 5 mysterious item, farmland. I can redeem up to $200 credit, just pick them up like that. And you can also, there's a gift calendar right there. If you, for example, if I want a $50 credits, I can just click on get now. And then I might need to order something because it is with qualifying orders. But you can see I just have to have one step closer to win $50 credit. I can click on spin here. Now you can see this is just for, I'm pretty sure this is just for pizzazz, right? So it's just so people can get excited. You can see on the fine print down here, everyone can get the same result in this interface. This is just to make things more fun. You can see I can get $100 credits just like that, just by spinning the wheel. So if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.